Hi everybody. Today is an important day for Venkat of LBN because today Venkat is celebrating his 16th year at LBN, his 16th work anniversary. So Venkat, what are your thoughts which come to your mind? Are you happy, sad, enthusiastic, content? I'd like to know your feelings now.
I'm more than happy actually, and more than happiness, like I feel proud of myself. I've made somebody keep me for 16 years. That itself is an accomplishment. So I feel proud of myself.
You feel happy and proud. So nice to hear that, Venkat. And do you remember your very first day? 16 years ago. Can you remember something very significant on your first day? Something which happened?
I was clueless actually. First
You
day
were,
was absolutely clueless, and I was so lost actually. So and a few senior members they spoke to me and they comforted me and they taught me what the process is. And the first few days were I wasn't clear about what I was
doing
getting.
actually. Okay. Probably the teething troubles like every new employee faces.
Yeah, this was my technically this is my first job, so I hardly had any experience before LBN, so I was
Yeah.
raw.
Yeah, you were a fresher, right?
Yeah.
As far as this work is concerned, you were a fresher. So that's great because the rest of the team members actually encouraged you and made you settle down, right?
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
that's nice. So, what do you think you've learned all these years working here at LBN? Can you just name a few things you've learned? I mean, as far as qualities go, personally as well as professionally.
Um, like when I joined here, like I was very raw.
Yeah,
So when I uh, after 16 years, like I feel a bit refined, a lot more refined actually. So that's a huge change. And the refinement was, I mean, it's not just in handling projects; it's in handling the team itself, handling people and the employees and uh, so everything. So I think I've refined a lot, and I'm refining myself a lot.
continuously.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a continuous learning process. Till we all grow old and we cannot think anymore.
And an example for that would be like I was from an English medium school and I know how to write letters, but
Yeah,
when I was put into the mainstream, like I didn't know how to write an email. So
yeah,
I
yeah.
think everything
Email
was taught.
etiquette.
Yeah.
Yeah, email etiquette. Yes. So
So now recently somebody told me that my mails are flawless and they admire my email. So that
that's a
I
great
take that as
feather
a
in your
compliment.
cap. Yes,
Yeah.
it's a great feather in your cap. Great. And in two words, can you tell me, how different you are? One word when you were a fresher, and one word now after so many years.
Um, yeah, I think right now I feel a bit more confident,
Okay.
which I was absolutely lacking when I joined.
Yes, you are absolutely confident now.
Yeah.
Yes. But
So
as a
that
fresher,
that's
what were your thoughts? How
like
how
what
you
was
were?
I was scared actually. So
Okay,
I was
okay,
literally
okay.
scared. Like I was scared
Yeah,
of life. I was scared of work. I was scared of everything.
fantastic. So the self-confidence in you has grown in leaps and bounds, I should say, right?
Exactly.
And
Yeah.
I think, you are so scared, to put your thoughts into process and whether what you're doing is right or wrong, that kind of feeling every fresher will have. But as you grow here, you are so confident that you feel that this is right and this is wrong. Yes, I can.
I've started
Yeah.
taking decisions. So that itself is a huge change.
Yes, yes, great. So, how do you see yourself 5 years later?
Um, Probably a more refined person, a better human being, probably a role model.
Yes, role model for so many people who are there currently in this company, as well as whom will be hiring also.
Yeah,
So they all are currently looking up to you, and they will in future too. So 5 years later, you want to keep on refining yourself and building on your self-confidence, as well as what you've learned till now. Probably, you can triple it, or you can quadruple it. It is endless.
yeah.
So, friends, Venkat is one of the man Fridays of LBN Tech, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that he walked into my office as a fresher. He was a fresher in this field. And since then, there is absolutely no looking back, and he has grown in leaps and bounds. Now he is an asset to LBN. And I, along with Indu Jaikumar, our founder and CEO, we wish him all the very best in the coming years. So, best of luck, Venkat, and have a wonderful 16th work anniversary. All the best to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you both, and for giving me this opportunity, because like I said, I was clueless, and whatever I've learned, it I mean till today, it's through LBN. And uh, I think I know better than anybody else, like how we have guided me more than you do, uh, like in every aspect, like be it personally, be it professionally. And I think every thing that I can call myself uh, a good manager, like most of the attributes are from you.
Hmm. That's so nice of you to say, and you've actually made my day today when you say that. Thanks, Venkat. Thanks for recalling all those things. I don't even remember teaching you. I think you were just observant, and you just picked up uh, on the go. So,
No,
and
the email compliment I received a few weeks back, like uh, I I can only dedicate it to you, because you were the one who taught me how to send emails. I mean, how to
okay,
word it, how to express your view, express my views, everything.
thank you. So, friends, so please join me in wishing Venkat a happy 16th anniversary, and wishing him all the very best for his future. Thank you so much for tuning in.